So guys, once you're on this stage, you want to hold shift and then you want to click on the power button and then click on restart and then click on restart again. Make sure that you're holding shift, which will then bring you into this screen, the Windows recovery mode. Now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot and then you want to click on advanced options. Then you want to click on command prompt. You want to type in reg edit and then click on enter, which will then bring up this, the registry editor. Now once you're on this, you want to click on HK local machine, then you want to click on file and then click on load Hive, which will then bring up this. You want to click on this PC and then you want to select your operating system drive. It's most likely going to be your C drive, so click on that. Click on Windows and then scroll down and click on System 32. Scroll down again and then click on config, and then you want to scroll down and then click on software and then click on open, which will then open up this. You want to type in M software and then click on OK. Now you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand M software, then you want to expand Microsoft, then you want to scroll down again and expand Windows NT. Here it is, you want to expand Windows NT. Let me just move this, make this a bit bigger. And then you want to expand current version. Then you want to scroll down again and you want to click on passwordless. This one right here, click on this. You want to expand passwordless and then you want to click on device. You want to double click on device password, less build version. Double click on this and then open this up. Then you want to change the value data to 0 and then click on OK. Now you can close this out and then just type in exit, which will close this. And then you want to click on turn off your PC. Now you want to turn on your computer. Now once you're on this, you should get a symbol of a key right here, a picture of a key. You want to click on the key and then you just want to type in your password. Click on enter and then you're done.